Nissan owners, pause for a second. I've seen simple maintenance mistakes turn perfectly good cars into $4,000 repair bills. If you drive a Nissan, one of these mistakes could already be happening, and you wouldn't even know it. 1. Believing Nissan CVT fluid is lifetime. Starting with this one because it empties bank accounts faster than anything else on a Nissan. That phrase, lifetime fluid, has probably cost owners more money than any single mechanical failure. And here's the truth. CVT fluid does not last forever. Nissan CVTs rely on that fluid not just for lubrication, but for hydraulic pressure, cooling, and belt grip. Every time you accelerate, a steel belt clamps and releases under heat. Over time, the fluid breaks down, additives burn off, and microscopic metal particles start circulating. Once that starts, the damage is already underway. This story plays out over and over, with Rogues and Altimas coming in around 90,000 miles. The owner says it hesitates or feels strange on light throttle. The fluid is checked, and it's dark brown, smells burnt, and the valve body is already contaminated. At that point, no fluid change can undo the wear. Here's what should have happened instead. CVT fluid service every 30,000 to 40,000 miles using only Nissan NS2 or NS3 fluid, because a $250 to $300 service prevents a $4,000 to $6,000 replacement. Fluid is cheap, metal is not. 2. Stretching oil changes just a little. Nissan engines don't fail loudly when oil is neglected. They fail quietly, slowly, and expensively. The problem usually isn't skipping oil changes entirely, but stretching them just a little too far, over and over again. Modern Nissan engines use tight oil passages, variable valve timing solenoids, and timing chain systems that depend on clean oil. When oil stays in too long, it doesn't just get dirty, it becomes acidic. That acid eats away at seals, clogs solenoids, and starves timing components of proper lubrication. Valve covers have been removed from engines with barely 110,000 miles that already showed heavy sludge, sticky solenoids, and stretched timing chains. The explanation is almost always the same. Oil was changed every 7,500 miles because the sticker said it was fine. The real-world rule is simple. 5,000 miles max, full synthetic only, because a $60 to $80 oil change protects against $1,800 to $3,000 repairs and keeps the engine alive long-term, especially in city driving, short trips, and hot climates where oil breaks down faster. 3. Using universal or wrong coolant. This issue destroys engines silently, without warning lights or dramatic symptoms, until it's too late. Nissan engines are extremely sensitive to coolant chemistry, and using the wrong coolant is like slowly poisoning the system from the inside. Nissan specifies blue long-life OAT coolant to protect aluminum components and seals. When green or universal coolant is added, the chemical balance is disrupted, corrosion inhibitors cancel each other out, and gel-like sludge begins forming throughout the cooling system. As this buildup spreads, heater cores become plugged, radiators partially block, and water pumps are eaten away internally. The most dangerous part is that the engine often continues to run normally, until one day it suddenly overheats and serious damage occurs. Common warning signs include a fluctuating temperature gauge, heat that stops working, or overheating only in traffic. Cloudy or rusty coolant in the reservoir usually means damage is already underway. The correct approach is simple. Use Nissan Blue coolant only, mixed with distilled water, and flush the system every 5 years or 60,000 miles. Costs escalate quickly, from a $120 flush to $1,400 heater cores and $3,000 or more for a warped cylinder head. Coolant isn't just colored water, it's chemistry, and mistakes are expensive. 4. Ignoring early CVT warning signs. CVTs almost never fail suddenly. They warn you first, quietly, and most owners ignore those warnings because the car still drives. Hesitation under light throttle, whining during acceleration, shuddering at low speeds, or delays when shifting from park to drive are not quirks. They are early signs of internal CVT distress. Mechanically, the process is simple. As the fluid degrades, pressure drops, the belt begins slipping microscopically, and heat builds rapidly. Once that starts, the valve body struggles to regulate flow, and every mile driven accelerates the damage. This pattern repeats constantly. The complaint is usually the same. It has been doing this for months, but it never seemed that bad. By the time it feels serious, the transmission is often already beyond saving. Early intervention makes all the difference. A fluid service or software update can restore smooth operation if caught in time. Wait too long, and the cost jumps from about $300 to roughly $4,500. CVTs don't forgive neglect. They reward attention. 5. Neglecting the PCV valve. This is one of the smallest parts on your engine, and one of the most destructive when ignored. The PCV valve controls crankcase pressure by routing blow-by gases back into the intake, and when it fails, the entire balance of the engine is thrown off. It's a simple system, but it plays a critical role in keeping pressure, oil flow, and combustion under control. If the PCV valve sticks open, oil vapor gets pulled straight into the intake, coating valves and spark plugs. If it sticks closed, pressure builds inside the crankcase and forces oil past seals and gaskets. Either failure leads to increased oil consumption, reduced performance, and rapid carbon buildup that quietly shortens engine life. There have been cases where a Sentra was burning a quart of oil every 1,200 miles, even though compression was perfect and there were no visible leaks. The cause turned out to be a PCV valve stuck shut, and a $20 replacement fixed what looked like a serious engine failure. PCV valves should be replaced about every 40,000 miles, and hoses should be checked for cracks or brittleness, especially on turbocharged models. The cost comparison is brutal. A PCV replacement is pocket change, while intake carbon cleaning can run $800 to $1,500, and blown seals cost even more. It's a tiny part with massive consequences. If this is saving you money, hit like and subscribe. Stay with me, because later I'll show how a tiny drip most people ignore quietly turns into engine failure or a dead transmission if you don't catch it early. 6. Using cheap or incorrect spark plugs. Spark plugs are not universal, especially on Nissan engines. The ignition system is calibrated for specific heat ranges, resistances, and tip designs, and when bargain plugs or upgrades that don't match Nissan specifications are installed, problems follow quickly. Misfires, hesitation, poor fuel economy, and rough idle are only the beginning. Over time, incorrect plugs place extra stress on coil packs and dump unburned fuel into the catalytic converter, causing it to overheat and fail prematurely. Cracked ceramic tips, burnt coils, and melted catalytic converters are common results of using the wrong plugs. The explanation is almost always the same. They fit, so they were assumed to be fine. The rule is simple. Use OEM spec plugs only. Replace them every 60,000 miles or sooner on turbocharged engines and torque them correctly, because loose plugs leak compression while over-tightening strips aluminum threads. A full set of correct plugs costs about $80 to $120, while a catalytic converter replacement can run $1,200 to $2,000. Spark plugs may be small, but they control combustion, and getting them wrong makes everything downstream suffer. 7. Over-torquing bolts into aluminum. Nissan uses aluminum extensively for oil pans, heads, valve covers, and transmissions. Aluminum is lightweight and efficient, but it has one weakness. It does not tolerate over-tightening. Countless oil pans and spark plug threads have been destroyed by one more turn just to be safe. Once aluminum threads stretch or strip, there is no tightening your way out of it. A common DIY disaster happens when an over-tightened drain plug cracks the oil pan flange. The owner keeps tightening to stop the leak, making it worse until a simple oil change suddenly turns into a $700 to $1,200 repair. Torque specs exist for a reason. A $40 torque wrench can prevent thousands in damage. Start bolts by hand and stop if they don't spin smoothly, because slow hands save engines and force breaks them, especially on modern aluminum components designed for precise clamping force. 8. Neglecting the mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor is the engine's measuring tape, and everything depends on it. It tells the ECU exactly how much air is entering the engine so fuel can be delivered precisely. When that sensor gets dirty, the engine isn't measuring anymore. It's guessing, and engines are terrible at guessing. When a MAF starts sending bad data, symptoms creep in quietly, including rough idle, hesitation off the line, and a sudden drop in fuel mileage. Sometimes even strange transmission behavior that makes no sense at first. Nissan systems are especially sensitive to airflow accuracy, so a slightly dirty sensor can make the car feel completely off. Most of the damage comes from neglect. Dirty air filters let debris through, and oiled aftermarket filters coat the sensor with residue. Then owners make it worse by touching the fragile sensor wire or blasting it with the wrong cleaner, which permanently ruins it. The fix is simple and preventative. Clean the mass airflow sensor every 20,000 miles using MAF-specific cleaner only. Spray gently, let it air dry completely, and never touch the element with your fingers or a cloth. 9. Ignoring small leaks. Small leaks are early warning signs, not cosmetic issues, and ignoring them is one of the fastest ways to turn a minor problem into a major failure. Oil, coolant, or CVT fluid leaks may look harmless at first, but each one creates a chain reaction if left unchecked. Oil leaks can drip onto hot exhaust components and create a serious fire risk, while coolant leaks lower system pressure and cause engines to overheat much faster than expected. CVT fluid leaks are especially dangerous because even a small loss reduces hydraulic pressure and accelerates internal wear. What many owners call just a drip can turn into a seized engine or a destroyed transmission. When caught early, the fix is usually simple and affordable, such as replacing a gasket or a worn hose. Ignore it, and the repair cost multiplies quickly. If it leaves a spot on the driveway, it deserves immediate attention, because a $120 gasket today can prevent a $4,000 repair tomorrow. Leaks never fix themselves. They only grow worse with time. 10. Letting the battery get weak. Modern Nissans depend on stable voltage to run correctly, and a weak battery affects far more than just starting the car. Low voltage confuses control modules and leads to sensor errors, erratic shifting, false warning lights, rough idle, transmission hesitation, and even random stalling. Vehicles often come in with multiple mystery problems that disappear instantly once a new battery is installed. What looks like engine or transmission trouble frequently turns out to be nothing more than unstable voltage. A healthy battery should read about 12.6 volts at rest, and anything below 12.2 volts means the battery is already aging and no longer reliable. Replacing a weak battery early costs around $150, but ignoring it can send owners chasing electrical ghosts for weeks, wasting time and money on parts that were never the real problem. 11. Running the fuel tank too low. Fuel pumps rely on gasoline for cooling, and repeatedly driving on an empty tank slowly cooks them from the inside. When fuel levels stay low, the pump runs hotter than it's designed to, and that heat dramatically shortens its lifespan. The damage doesn't happen all at once, which is why most owners never connect the habit to the failure. There's another problem most people don't think about. When the tank is nearly empty, debris and sediment from the bottom get pulled directly into the pump. That contamination accelerates internal wear and stresses the pump even more, especially under load or hot conditions. When the pump finally gives up, the repair isn't cheap. A fuel pump replacement can cost anywhere from $800 to $1,200. Keeping the tank above a quarter full costs nothing. This is one of those cases where simple habits make a massive difference, because small choices repeated over time decide whether parts survive or fail early. 12. Skipping air and cabin filters. Dirty engine air filters choke airflow, rob power, and force the engine to work harder than it should, which also leads to fouled sensors and poor fuel economy. When the engine can't breathe properly, everything downstream suffers, even though the problem is hidden inside a simple filter box. Clogged cabin filters cause a different kind of damage. They restrict airflow through the HVAC system, overworking the blower motor and weakening air conditioning performance. Over time, that extra strain shortens the life of components most owners never think about until the AC barely blows. Both filters are cheap and easy maintenance that too many people skip. Engine air filters should be replaced every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, and cabin filters should be changed at least once a year. Each one usually costs only $20 to $30, while HVAC repairs can easily climb past $600. Filters quietly protect systems you can't see, so if you ignore them, the damage builds long before the symptoms show up. 13. Trusting quick fix additives. Stop Leak and Miracle additives promise quick, effortless solutions, but in reality, they create far bigger problems. Instead of fixing anything, they clog small coolant and oil passages, coat sensitive sensors, and slowly destroy cooling systems from the inside. Once these products are poured in, they are nearly impossible to flush out completely. Radiators have been found plugged solid and heater cores blocked because a bottle was trusted instead of addressing the real issue. There are no shortcuts in mechanics, so if something leaks, the only correct solution is to repair the gasket, hose, or seal that failed. Additives don't solve problems. They delay them while causing new damage and masking symptoms that continue to worsen. That $15 bottle might seem harmless, but it can easily turn into $3,000 in repairs once overheating, sensor failure, or internal blockage sets in and spreads through the system. 14. Ignoring warning lights. That check engine light isn't a suggestion. It's the car asking for help before damage spreads. Driving with warning lights on allows small issues, like failing sensors or minor misfires, to quietly grow into major mechanical problems as the vehicle keeps compensating in the background. What could have been caught early with an $80 diagnosis can quickly turn into $2,500 in repairs when ignored. Dash lights are the last polite warning your car gives you, and once you push past that point, the damage stops being small and starts getting expensive. Many drivers assume the light can wait because the car still runs, but by the time drivability changes, internal components are already stressed and wearing far faster than they should, often damaging parts that were never originally at fault. If you notice the pattern, it's simple. Small habits decide how long a Nissan lasts. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-world Nissan content.